Hi guys, this is a quick walkthrough video on how you can automate your screenshot generation using Google Sheets. And to automate the process, we will be using AppScript in it. And you don't need any no-code tools or any programming language to automate. Only the AppScript will do the work for you. So yeah, let's get started. So to use this feature, you would obviously need a screenshot API and sign up for CaptureKit screenshot API from here, and we would use that API key in our app script. So when you sign up for the first time on the CaptureKit, the dashboard would look something like this. You get your API's key over here, and there is a playground where you can test the parameter and build your request. So I have my Google Sheets already ready for this automation. This is my Google Sheet where I have formatted it in a way that I am mentioning all the website URLs on the column A, and I would take the screenshot in column B. If you are using Google Apps Script for the first time, I would advise you to copy the naming conventions and how I have named the rows as is, like in the sheet only. I'll also give you a blueprint in the description section of this video. I already have made a blog on this particular topic too. You can refer that blog too. So basically what you have to do next is go to extension, go to app script, and then copy this app script. This is the code here over here, and you have to change your API key only. So this is the key you have in your CaptureKit's dashboard. So simply copy it from there. So I'll copy my API key over here, and then I'll save this and run this function. For the first time, it would ask for permissions, and you have to authorize it for all the permission it asks for. Log into your account. Here you have to go to advanced and go to the unlisted project unsafe, and from here select all and continue. And once you do that, you would notice something here that would say execution has started, meaning that your screenshot are now being captured. And after some time you would see that the execution is completed, meaning spreadsheet has now the screenshot URLs, and we would check if each of them. So in the app script we have used the parameter of full screenshot to true. If you want to use other parameters, you can do so. You just have to edit your app script, and you can see that we have kept the screenshots in our drive only. If you want to use the public URL, there is a parameter called s3 underscore URL. You keep it to true and you get public URL. So this way you can easily automate your screenshots without using any no code tool, and you can use that by using CaptureKit's API. You get free 100 credits to test this API. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.